Hello, Namaste viewers. In fact, I'm going to show you very interesting today. Something very interesting today. I've got two Persian cats. This is the one Persian cat which is sitting just next to me. Her name is Sherry. Very cute one. You can just tell hello to her. And the second one is probably sleeping that side. So I just thought that I'll just show you my cats and the pretty Persian cats. Okay, we'll start the discussion. Today again I'm back to you with a very short discussion, but still it is very crucial and important. One common fault we do as the parents. Normally, if I'll tell you, don't do that, don't do this, don't touch that. No, you're not going to sit like that. Oh, you're not going to, you should not stand like that. So after hearing the series of no, how do you feel? Certainly, it is not giving you a positive, feeling. And there is a blockage in your mind, and you think that how many no. Whereas I'm not giving you a proper alternative, constructive option that if I'm not asking you to do this, what is a better option? What then you should be doing? So this fault we commit as the parents. So it is a request, humble submission to the parents of the children ki whenever we are just telling them, asking them to do something or not asking to do something, we should give them a better option which is more constructive. So instead of saying that why don't you study, you can say let us study, in spite of the fact that you are not going to read, but it sounds very constructive and the child is going to get a very affirmative idea, constructive idea, positive idea that mom is also going to study. That means she is a party in this action, whatever I'm going to do, that is studying. So when you say let us play, so let us play is you are also trying to become a party into what action or activity is going to commence. So what you do is you win the confidence of the child, at the same time you get into their proximity and they tend to develop the bond of emotion more strongly with you. So next time whenever you're just dealing with the children, you just ask them in a constructive way ki why they are not supposed to do a particular thing and what is the repercussion if they do it. If they're not supposed to do that, what they should be doing and why. This is one thing. And second thing is, whenever you are saying that you ask them to do something or you just want them to do something, so just try conveying in such a way that you are a party in that. So what happens is they win over your confidence and the bond of emotion, and it is also more strong. They trust in you, and what happens is they will open up more strongly with you. So these are the small things which you can try next time, and I'm just I think that it is going to give you productive results. If you like my video, please press the like button. These are small things, my dear viewers, and though they are small things, we just don't pay importance on implementing all these things. So when you implement and you get the positive result, please share it with me, so that as the people who are into the psychology of the children, we can just move a long way, and we just move on to the next level to discuss something very important in the coming videos. So please share my video, like it and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Namaste.